Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danny, and this is Danny's Beauty Corner. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Either way, I appreciate the love. Thank you guys for stopping by so much. It means so much to me. But anyway, let's jump into the video. So this video is, if you guys stuck around long enough, you probably know what it is. So if you do know, you guessed it, it's Boxycharm. And this is March Boxycharm. So for those of you who do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription service that you receive every single month, and you receive anywhere from 4 to 5, every now and then 6 full-size products, and the value is always over $100. And they have brands that you already know and love, like I've had Tarte, Butter London, stuff like that. But anyway, let's see what we got. So again, this is how it comes every single month in this black box that says Boxycharm. And then on the inside, it has a card, and every month it has a theme, and this month's theme is vacation. Okay, and then on the back of the card, it has the list of the products that are inside your box and the pricing of every item. So let's see what we got. Okay, so the first product I have here is from Butter London, and it is a double-decker lashes mascara is what it says. This is what it looks like, and I believe every box has a different variation of mascara. Everything else is the same, but I think the mascara is different. But, so, let's take it out of the box. This is a pretty big box, guys. Okay, that's a huge mascara. And it says double-decker on it. Double-decker lashes, excuse me. I like this packaging. And it's a pretty fat one. I really like that. So I can tell it's a volumizing mascara, which I like. I can appreciate. Okay, and this retails for, let's see, $20. Okay, the next item we have is from the brand Pretty Vulgar. And I think they sell this brand at Sephora. I've never seen it at Ulta. And this is a pretty pricey brand. That much I do know. And this is a blush. It is, let's see, it says Make Them Blush. And I guess the shade is 18 Hush Blush. And that's what the packaging looks like. I like the packaging, but it feels like cheap packaging. Cheap plastic is what I mean to say. And that's the shade of the blush. It's really pretty. Very smooth. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I like it. It might be a little too pink for me, but it's pretty. Okay, and that retails for $26. Okay, so the next item we have is from the brand South Main, and it is 3 eye gel packs. And it says it reduces puffiness, dark circles, and moisturizes your eye area. That's what the packaging looks like. And I just said you get 3. So you get 3 eye gel packs in here. And here's what the packaging of one of them looks like. I'm not going to take them out, obviously. And this retails for $10. Okay, so the next thing we have is from the brand The Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it is a smoky eye brush set. And that's what the packaging looks like. And so on the inside, you get 3 brushes that come individually wrapped. This one, oh, they go by steps. So this one is step 1, it says for the money. That's cute. That's what it looks like. The next one is step 2 for the shadow. Looks like an angled eye brush. That's what that one looks like. And the last one is step 3, go girl go. It looks like a smudger. That's pretty cool. And these retail for $23.15. Okay, and the last thing is pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about. It is from the brand, well, it doesn't say on the packaging, but it says on here, it says Boxycharm and Pure. So I guess it's from Pure the Complexion Authority. And I'm assuming not to be confused with Pure Cosmetics. I'm not really for sure. But anyway, this is an eyeshadow palette, and it's so cute. And I'm assuming this is made specifically for Boxycharm. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Does it have a mirror on it? Yep, has a big mirror. Look how pretty these shadows are, guys. OMG, they're so pretty. Like, I love this whole middle row. Like, it looks like shimmer shades. I'll go ahead and swatch these 3 shades. Oh, so pigmented. Look at that, guys. And I'll probably leave a picture somewhere up here of the whole shadow swatch. I mean, of the whole palette swatched, like up here or right there. But let's see, this palette retails for $36. So that brings the total value of this box to $115.15. OMG. Oh, I forgot. And then there's a coupon in here for Butter London. It's 25% off your next $50 purchase on butterlondon.com. And I probably will never use it because I buy my Butter London products when I buy them from Ulta. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments down below if you received Boxycharm, if you liked yours, what variation of mascara did you get. I think the blush shades are different too. So if you got a different blush shade, let me know. And like I said, let me know how you liked your box, if you received it this month. Also leave a comment down below just saying hi, whatever you want to do. But yeah, that completes this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell down below so you never miss a video. And I think that is it, guys. So until next time, love you guys. Bye.